Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of The News. We are out here at beautiful Ghost Lake, just west of Cochrane, Alberta, Canada, right next to the dam. I grew up out here, so I'm very familiar with this area. If you have not visited, make sure to come out during the summer. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. Like always, we are being powered by the F-150 Lightning, and we have a great episode today, so let's just get right into this. Roush has just unveiled a new package to rival the F-150 Tremor. What you get with this package is a high-flow grille, fender flares, hood heat extractors, bumper covers with integrated light bar, performance coilover suspension system, 20-inch off-road wheels, 33-inch Grabber ATX all-terrain tires to be exact, performance active exhaust system, laser-etched dual exhaust tips, aluminum pedal covers, graphics package, off-road lighting system, and a serialized dash badge and tailgate and fender badging. So all of this can be yours for the wonderful price of 25,000 American dollars, not including the donor vehicle. So is this a good competitor to the Tremor, or is the Tremor just the way to go because it has everything kind of locked in already? Let me know down in the comments below. Moving on, since Chevy can't seem to do it itself, somebody else has picked up their britches and finally made a competitor to the TRX and the Raptor R. Fox, the company behind the magnificent suspension system in the Raptor, has created a factory Chevy that you can buy. It is a limited edition turnkey super truck that brings the party as it celebrates 50 years of pushing potential further at Fox with big power capability and menacing style. So what you get is 37-inch tires. The Raptor R comes with that. You get 700 horsepower. The Raptor R has more than that. You get a Fox Live suspension system, which is also featured in the Raptor R. I don't understand where this is all coming from because Chevy obviously doesn't really have anything to do with this. Chevy gives them a donor vehicle and they put this kit on it. So at the end of the day, all of this can be yours for the low price of 209,000 American dollars, which is about $60,000 more than a Raptor R. So let me know if you're interested. I'd love to hear what you guys think about this, and do we just want Chevy to make their own version of it? Please, their TRX is dead. We need more competition. So let us know down in the comments below. And last but not least, it looks like the 60th anniversary of the Mustang has finally approached, and you can now get a new 60th anniversary package for the Mustang. Available in Wimbledon White, Race Red, or Vapor Blue, the 2025 Mustang 60th anniversary package can be had on GT premium models in both coupe and convertible configurations, and with either available the 6-speed manual or the 10-speed automatic transmission. The package adds a host of unique touches that pay tribute to the original model, including badging that's designed to present a modern take on the pieces present on the first generation pony car. Customers can choose from either iconic silver or vermilion red side stripes designed to look like the original model's rocker panel stripes. The Mustang 60th anniversary package adds a new front grille with a unique mesh design and silver accent nostrils that double as functional air intakes, a version of the Night Pony headlights with smoked housing and unique 20-inch dark gravity gray wheels, with bright machine details and a retro-themed vermilion red aluminum center cap. Iconic silver mirror caps are present on Race Red variants, while Vapor Blue models get chrome mirrors, and Wimbledon White examples are equipped with body-colored mirror caps. This is going to be a great-looking Mustang, but you might want to get your allocation for them in soon because they are only making 1,965 of them, which 1965 is the first year the Mustang became available. So very cool touch there. Very exciting to see that the Mustang is obviously expanding, a new trim line, but once you see these, you know that they are going to be very rare because there will be less than 2,000 of them built. There's actually going to be less of the 60th anniversary Mustangs built than the new GTD, which is crazy because the GTD costs over $300,000. So, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment down below how you thought the news went today, and we will see you next week.